In today's Happy Japan video, we're going to be going over how to use our layout feature. So first, we're going to be going over the layout feature, which is in our menus icon. On the bottom right-hand corner, it says layout. Now in our layout feature, we have the capabilities or options of combining designs that we have already saved in our machine with other designs that we already have saved in our machine. Or we can use those designs and combine them with lettering. So it just gives us more versatility on the fly embroidery. So for example, we have two yellow manila folders, one with designs and one with lettering. So we're gonna click on the designs tab first. And then we're gonna use our arrows to float up and down through our page to see all the designs that we have saved. So we're gonna click on a logo, and then we're gonna wanna bring in some lettering. So say somebody wanted a design with their name, we would add their name, the word phrase, whatever we'd like. We choose between one of our 12 preset fonts, and then we choose the size in millimeters. Now, if you have difficulty choosing the proper size based on the hoop you're gonna use, choose the white piece of paper on the top right-hand corner. We're gonna select the frame icon, and it's gonna let us choose a frame that we're gonna use to kind of get an idea of how our design will sit within our embroidery area. Now right here we can choose, or it's touchscreen, and we can select the design that we want to adjust or move. So let's say we want to move the lettering down. I move it down, I use my arrows, or I can use the touchscreen capabilities. Now we have many different lettering options, as you see here. We can control the spacing in between each individual letter to say if I didn't like how close the P's were, the H and the A, or I think it's all too close. So I'll click on all, set, and then it'll space it out very slightly. I can make every letter its own individual color, or I have curving and arcing capabilities. I can also bring in another design or change the design if I didn't like it. I can add more lettering. You have many capabilities and much freedom with the layout tool. And this is how we use our layout option on our machine.